Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split the tone of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below and press on split tone. And you can just manage the split tone here. You can swipe to the left or to the right. You can also pick colors here, as you can see. And you can also, once again, you can just manage left to right with the help of those colors that you have selected, and you can manage the split tone like that. Once you are done with it, you can just simply leave the page and save it or don't save it. You can also make other edits, of course. You can take your time, but when it comes to the split tone, this is how you do it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.